Now, the reason I want you to pause a moment and just make sure you focus here is because we're about to do something, and it's not strictly about cancellation. It's more about the main character here, the x. Okay, so we want to isolate the x. That's the main challenge. But the x right now, it's in the exponent position, and we say, how can we get the x down? Now, and previously you would say, oh, let's go ahead and do log. Now you have two options right here, and I will show you both options. I'll tell you which one you would do most likely. Now, some people would say, well, hey, Mr. Chan, can we just go ahead and I want to get rid of 2. So what kind of log would you do? You may say, well, I can do log base 2 of 2 to the x, right? Just apply log base 2 on both sides. Okay, that works. That works very well, actually, because they can cancel each other out. Remember the inverse functions? So your answer, log base 2 of 7. That works, okay? With only a problem, okay? A few problems here. The problem is that for old calculators, you're going to have a hard time typing in a base that's not 10 or E. In old calculators like these, okay, TI-84, there's only 2 ways you can put in log, either common log or natural log. Number 1. Number 2, you will not use log of other bases, actually, in the future courses. In math, we just use natural log all the time. But you may say, wait, hold on, Mr. Chan. But here's the thing. It's not E. How can you use natural log if there's not E right there? Well, it doesn't matter. Because when you do natural log of 2 to the x power, okay, well, you apply natural log on both sides. And then you bring down the x, right? Remember, you can bring the x down since it's an exponent. And this is where I said log of any number, it's a number. You will simply go ahead and divide it by natural log of 2 because it is just a number. So your answer is this. Now, some of you may comment and say, wait, hold on, Mr. Chan. They look different. They look very different. One is this with a log base 2. This is just natural log. They look so different. Are they really the same thing? Well, let me go ahead and type it in the calculator to convince you that they're exactly the same thing. So we have log base 2 of 7, which gives you a number of 2.8. And then you have natural log of 7 over natural log of 2. And they are exactly the same. Yes? So natural log is like log base E. Yeah, natural log is log base E. Now, so this actually brings us to a new topic, which we might go over this in the future, but this is just a little exposure right here. They are the same, okay? They are the same. So one little subtopic that is we can actually change the log. If you have a log base of something else, you can always change it to a ratio of log like this. So we will do the right-hand side approach, using natural log for all the questions right here, because it's a lot more convenient. That's the norm that we will see when you go to pre-calc, when you go to calculus. So I want to help you get ready for your future challenges. So we will simply use natural log for everything. Okay, so again, the idea behind this move is that the x is in the exponent position, and we want to bring it down. So that's how we have the use of natural log here.